5 signs you need alone time now. Alone time. Whether we realize it or not, we're at our best when we take time for ourselves. Alone time gives us energy. It restores our equilibrium, renews our focus, makes us more creative, and helps us to live healthy and happy lives. Why then do we spend so much time fighting it? The problem is, too often we're not fond of time on our own. However, we really do need it. In fact, if you're experiencing any of these 5 signs, you're probably overdue for a little alone time right now. The life has gone out of the party. Are things just not fun anymore? If nothing sounds good, even your old favorites, it's definitely past time to step back and get a new perspective. How can you tell when this is becoming a problem? Think about what's always been your favorite thing in the world to do. How do you feel about it at this moment? Now ask yourself when the last time you even did this particular thing was. If you're having trouble remembering, it might be a problem. You're eating absolutely everything in sight. When you're dealing with a lot of emotions, food is a comfortable stopgap, which keeps you from having to face what's really going on. The problem? Seriously, you can't eat everything in the refrigerator in one sitting, nor should you try. There's better ways to deal with your problems than to self-medicate with food or alcohol or drugs. Little stuff gets to you. Are you getting irritable over stuff that never used to bother you? Losing patience generally means you're about one straw away from breaking the camel's back. Even your dog is avoiding you. When you start snapping at everyone around you, sooner or later, everyone either starts snapping back or avoiding you altogether. When we haven't had a break in too long, our emotions start running pretty close to the surface. This means we're reacting pretty emotionally to just about everything in a very negative way. Hiding sounds pretty good right now. If you're competing with the dust bunnies for space under your bed, it's time to close out the world for a bit. Seriously, you're not helping yourself at all by forcing yourself out at this point. If this list seems a little too familiar, take heart. The solution is easy. Grab some time off and settle in for a little alone time with your favorite person. You. Alone time can be a beautiful thing. You only need to give it a chance.